old. This is what I do every night before bed. The sky gets darker outside my window. I know it is bedtime soon. I look at my toys on the floor. I put them back where they belong. My room feels calm and tidy. When my room is clean, I feel proud of myself. I go to the bathroom. I wash my hands and my face with warm water. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. Up and down, round and round. I put on my soft blue pajamas. They make me feel cozy and safe. Before bed, I say, thank my God. Thank you for my family. Thank you for today. I walk into my bedroom quietly. The lights are soft and warm. I sit on my bed and turn on the TV very gently. I watch my favorite kids' bedtime stories channel. The voice is calm and kind. While I watch, my body feels relaxed. My breathing gets slow. The stories help my mind feel peaceful. I feel safe. I feel ready to sleep. My mom came and covered me. The stories help my mind feel peaceful. I feel safe. I feel ready to sleep.
Sleep, sleep, night, night, sweet night. Close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out. Shh, it's bedtime.